In Avellaneda, La Academia is defended by the Imperial Guard, the craziest fans in the world. Now they will seek to thank that support. This is Racing. In the Narashino, facing the rising sun, they take flight and soar, just like they have done it 9 times in Japan. These are the Seagulls.
Welcome to the new game in town, the World Football League.
It's the first weekend of autumn and the NFL is in full swing as off we go on EA Sports. This will be taken in at the 1. Say goodbye to the crowd. 30, 20, 10, 9-yard kick return as his guys are able to strike first here in this opening quarter. And that right there is how you silence the home crowd.
All week long in preparation, visiting teams talk about it. Okay, we've got to start fast. We've got to take the crowd out of it, as you just talked about there. We've got to control the ball early. Take this.
A good hold in these conditions. The point after is looking good. And it's intriguing start. The opening kickoff of the ball game. Return for a touchdown. Let's try this again after the kicker TD. Here's another kickoff. This is taken to the 13. And a nice job. He gets this one just shy of the 35-yard line at the 34. It's better in their way out.
I agree with it now because if you can run down his shoulder, it will make sense to take some of the pressure off.
This is Brown on the carry. And able to break one tackle, but then quickly brought down. This is Kelly. And he'll be brought down right at the 45.
Finally in the second half. Right now, they're just trying to get some momentum built. Get this down, get up.
Over the middle, that's home by Cup. He's got the first down and more inside the 40. And he's in for a touchdown. A big play there. 55 yards. As his guys are on the board here in this. Strap in, partner. Less than 2 minutes in. Had the score on the one side. A quick answer, though, to get the equalizer.
Sometimes you get that sense of urgency that ratchets up, right? When you give up an early touchdown like that, you just know you're like, okay, how do we go back and equalize things? Can we get it done fast? And they absolutely did. Essentially, we're back to even.
And we'll see if this rain affects the team's decisions going forward. So all even at 7 now as they kick it away. That's fielded in the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the 25-yard line. So now
even keeled, often mass a burning.
Cousins now to throw on first down. Got his man complete over the middle. That's King. And they work this first and 10. The first carry now for Dalvin Cook. And he'll fight his way forward to about the 48-yard line. Cousins now. The throw left side complete to Treadwell. It's a first down on a gain of 43. Cousins gives way to Cook. And he gets it inside the 35 and just shy of the 30. Cook. No dice this go-around. He's hit behind the line and taken down. On the ground, it's Cook. And he will lose yardage back to the 30. Off the play fake, Cousins. And this is going to be incomplete. Able to pin him back deep here with his first punt.
Old school there. That's absolutely a great. Put some time in working on that, hasn't it?
Seems like every year these guys get better and better. It's amazing how they can command that football through the air.
You can try and put them there. Now a lot of guys use barrels on the sidelines to try and put the football in one.
Now a handoff here to his running back. And from the 4, they get it to the 8 on a pitch.
His teammates absorbs those blocks and lets them run to the football.
This is Kelly. And now they're going to get him down right now here for third down. Out of the gun. Goff. This pass complete to Reynolds. On first down, it's Kelly. So a nice job to break the one tackle, but on second down now, it's Brown. Still going, and getting this just shy of midfield. They'll spot it at the 49 and 10.
Let's go, defense.
From the shotgun now, here's an inside give. And he'll be taken down to play. These two teams all tied after one. They'll try the air now with Goff. And that is incomplete. First half, a second one not to be.
I like where their headspace is, though. I mean, I really like the thought process, right? You got a guy who's already scored one, right? You want to go back to him, continue the hot hand.
They'll try and run for it with Kelly. And he'll be brought down with it. And he may get a few more tacked on for good measure.
It's a 5-yard or a 15-yard, inadvertent or not. Now, it's a lot easier. You see it, you call it.
Sheds a second man.
He's building up some momentum, isn't he?
And they go the... Here's Goff. And it's caught. And able to break one tackle, but then quickly brought down. Gonna give this time to the tailback. And he fights his way in for a 3-yard touchdown run. And
I think that's a great example of what coaches talk about, a back that runs behind his pads, and he uses pads to get him into the end zone.
Oh, he missed the PAT. No good on the extra point. So now he's back out there to boom this one away, maybe with some frustration after the PAT miss. This one taken just inside the 10. And a good return as he'll be stopped just shy of the 30-yard line. They get set to take the field and hoping to do better than they did last possession when they punted the football.
Appeal to the vanity of your offensive line. Tell them they control your need in order to not keep the ball.
First down. Here's Cousins. It's a short one here, complete to the tight end. And second and 4. Cousins. Throwing over the middle, and it's incomplete.
They get back to the huddle. They got a few words to say to their QB, aren't they?
Yeah, hung out to dry a little bit there on the high throw. Luckily, fell incomplete. Wide open receiver, complete. Cousins on first down. Over the middle, he's got Treadwell. And he's going to get this inside. On first and 10, Cousins. And his throw is going to be incomplete.
With what they're doing, I think the converse has been true in this game.
I think you're right. They seem to have gone off tendency quite a bit, but only the second. Rush coming, and he's taken down. Third and long. From the shotgun, it's Cousins. And this one to Treadwell, complete. And inside the 20 before he's brightens. They come up first and still come in. I think this one's going to be on the defense for jumping. From the gun, here's Cousins. This will be caught at about the 5. 7 yards on the pickup there, and now they've got it first and goal. 2 minutes remaining in this first half of football. This is this first half of play from our studios in Orlando. Now a throw to the end zone on first down, but there need to be a little bit more careful.
Yeah, fortunately for him, got a couple more downs to play with.
His pass caught at the 4. Only 3 yards there. This is third and goal. Now they'll run. Murray. He's not going to get there. That won't even be close. It was blown up in the back. From the left hash, he'll have to cut this at a tight angle. The fake field goal catch. They can recapture the lead if they can make the PAT. So a fake field goal run in for the touchdown.
And that's got to drive a defensive coach and a special teams coach crazy. Someone else running it in on a fake field goal, you're supposed to be alert for it. Terrific play by the offense, not so much by the defense.
Oh, this is blocked. Now the Chargers have it. But he doesn't get far. They're able to stop him. And after all that, the extra point attempt unsuccessful.
I need your help on this one. We just saw now.
Everything goes a little bit slower, but I'll tell you what, the snap and the hold, they look good.
Yeah, and most of the time, I love when you bring that up about it getting slower. It's deliberate when it gets slower, right? Because you have to and give him a chance to kick it.
All square now at 13 all as he sends this one away. This will be taken in at the 1. Fights off another.
I think the second tackler would have learned from the first.
And he will score. Touchdown. 99-yard kick return as his guys are able to regain the lead. And you need all 11 guys in sync for that to be successful, don't you?
Without a doubt. That's teamwork, to be able to put it all together. But that play is really probably the most exciting 10 seconds in football.
He missed one earlier, remember, but this time he gets it to go. So now the other return teams out there as they'll try to duplicate what they just saw. This one taken just inside the 10. And a nice return sets him up pretty good here at the 30-yard line. get set to take the field. There was still more than a minute to go in the half. Time to try to mount a drive.
And I would think that they would have to. This is today's NFL. You got to push it when given the opportunity.
Here's Cousins. And he's got his man on the out route. And he slips up patio. Working out of the gun, Cousins. And an incomplete pass. Cousins the thrower. There they get to it at halftime. They face a 3rd and 4 after that last completion gets them 6. To throw, Cousins. And complete right side to Cook. To the air again, it's Cousins. He gets this one into the hands of Dalvin Cook at the 42. Looking to throw again on 2nd down. Cousins. Quick hitter here, it's complete. On 3rd down, Cousins. And Cook has it, left side. Final play of the half, Cousins. He's going to float this over the middle, deep. And it's intercepted. Welcome back to Hard Rock Stadium here in Miami. It's the Chargers in possession of the football. As we have not seen much on offense here from either side these last few drives. We've hit a wall, so to speak.
And have hit it hard, haven't we? Because the defenses right now, they seem to be a step ahead, don't they? Beating them to the point of attack, beating them.
They'll run on 1st down. It's Kelly. A solid run on 1st down. Gain of 7 leaves them. Now it's Brown. And he'll get it down to the 47. At the 47. They go with Brown. And just shutting him off there. Breaks another. And he's got this. They come up on 1st and 10. Now a play fake, and it's gone. Oh, he's looking for a touchdown deep for Woods. That's caught by Woods for a charge. Geno Smith, 35 yards. Pull away a little bit. Get some breathing room with that one.
And I don't want people to think that NFL locker rooms are cookie cutter, that everyone's saying the exact same thing in every situation. But I do know that all 32 teams have an emphasis on starting fast. Game, the second half, no matter what, with his first 5 minutes.
And the lead is up to 14. The kickoff unit is out on the field, and they will send this one away. This will be taken in at the 1. And he'll take this up past the 20 and down at the 22-yard line of the second half. And their halftime hole now even deeper, and they need a big drive here just to answer the first touchdown.
And try and get back to where you were to start the half.
Now Cousins here on the bootleg. Blitz coming, and down he goes. To throw is Cousins. And he's going to go down. Back at his own 5-yard line. It's a sack.
So, Brandon, we that sack and sack are on their play sheet.
indeed, that's what they'll do as they run it here. And he'll take this forward only up to about the 7. A 40-yard punt, 1 yard on the return, making their way back out there. And for them, a touchdown their last go-around. Obviously, they'll be hoping to do that again.
And when you start players, because you know they'll make some adjustments.
On first down, it's Kelly. They find some open field here. There he goes, left side. Newsome, 49-yard. Defense caught napping a little bit.
The concentration level may not have been there. I agree with you on that one because those types of plays, when they result like that, they're almost like big bolts of lightning, aren't they? Whoosh, and off he goes.
And the lead now to 3 touchdowns at 21 points. Team on the field now as they will send this one away. This will be taken in at the 1. And he's all the way up across the 40 and down at the 42. Trying to fire up that running game with Dalvin Cook. And he'll lose yardage here. Back at the 40. They run it again with Cook. And they're going to get him behind the line yet again. From the shotgun, it's Cousins. Throwing right, and that's complete. And he takes this one down almost all the way to the 30. And he's brought. Cousins gives way to Cook. And he will lose yardage back to the 34-yard line. On 2nd and 12, Cousins. And on the left sideline, he caught it, but out of bounds. According, he'll need to come up with something here on 3rd down. Looking out of the gun, Cousins. And he comes back, incomplete. And inside the 20 before he's brought. Back to the ground, Cook. Cook able to escape. Cook with a first down and much more. And into the end zone for it. Scampering home from 19 yards.
That because the scouting report told you that this guy could flat out run. When you give him a little bit of space and a chance to get there, he usually does.
Will be cut down to 14. Out is the kickoff unit as they run up and send this one away. This will be taken about the 12. And there he goes again. He's at the 30, past the 20. He returns the kick 88 yards to the half simultaneously, but we rarely get to see this. Footing all right. 3 quarters have come and gone. And that'll do it for the end of the 2nd quarter. This is the kickoff team on the field now as they will send this one away. This will be fielded at the 8. And nice work on the return as they'll start their drive just past the 30-yard line. 1st and 10. From the gun, here's Cousins. And this is going to be incomplete.
Where a quarterback had a streak of 5 straight games without a 200-yard game. And that was a big talk, both in his town and amongst his team. How do we get the passing game going?
To throw, Cousins. Over the middle, complete. It's King. And he'll be taken down. It's 1st and 10. Again, it's Cousins. And incomplete.
They can sit back, keep everything in front of them. But they blanketed the field the entire game using a variety of coverages.
He's going to go for a big play downfield. And that's going to be incomplete. Good effort there. To the air again, it's Cousins. And now another one thrown incomplete. 4th down. Now Cousins on 4th down. He's going to walk one deep left side here. Ball and it's intercepted. Picked off by Adrian.
Hit the ball, but instinct takes over. And when it's in the air, they just go and get it. So it's hard to get on him for intercepting it. But the smart play would have been what you suggested. Knock it down and take over in a deeper position.
For 4th quarter, the lead that you've got, they can just run the football running. They'll start on the ground with Kelly. And that'll hurt the after the loss to start out. Here's 2nd and 11. They'll keep it in the hands of Kelly. And he'll get this up to the 30. Now it's Brown. And shedding his way forward. A big play there for L.A. And even 70 yards. So close. Couldn't get all the less. Fantastic run.
Not only that, this is where you wave to your replacement. Go back to the bench. No way. I'm not coming out of this game. I got it down to the 1-yard line. I want to carry it in.
We'll see if they reward him on this. Kelly to try to punch it in. And the reinforcements come in as they're going to stop him behind the line. They'll try to run this one in. And he will get in across the chalk for a trade effort there. His 2nd touchdown of the afternoon. On that sideline, they're saying that was more like it. The 1st down run went backwards, that time into the end zone.
And I like their little bit of courage in play calling, too. Because after an unsuccessful run, especially...
And that'll increase their lead to 28. The kickoff unit is out on the field, and they will send this one away. This is fielded at the chalk of the 10. And a good return. He's across the 35-yard line, right around the 36.
Something at the end to feel a little bit better as they continue to move forward.
Yeah, probably just want to put this one behind them. Throwing on 1st down, but this one winds up. A 2nd down throw for Cousins. And it's a short one here, complete to the tight end. A 10th carry in the game for Cook. And he won't be close to a first. .47-yard punt. They'll run on 1st down. Kelly. And he's going to get this one across the 30. They'll run with Kelly. And he'll be tackled right on the chalk of the 45. Plays have him on the move on 1st down. The defense can stop it twice more as they take a knee.
They can't help but feel great about themselves, can they? I mean, what a game to put up that number of points, continually feel like they're moving the ball and things are working and clicking. They think that they can...
And with that, we sign off from Miami.